Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace an inlet valve on a Hotpoint washing machine. If your washing machine is no longer filling on a program, then suspect the inlet valve. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws that hold it in place. With the top out of the way, here we have our inlet valve, which is held in place by three screws, two at the top on the dispenser top and one at the back of the machine. So I'm just going to unscrew those to remove the inlet valve. Now we can just lift out our inlet valve. Now if I put it against the new inlet valve, you can see that we have two seals on the old valve, but they're not on the new one. So we just have to transfer those from the old one to the new. Now we can transfer our electrical connections from the old one. It's always a good idea to check the wiring and the connections themselves. We can put them on our new valve and then fit it and screw it back into place. Now that our new inlet valve is screwed into place, I can now refit the top. So there we have it, one new inlet valve fitted to this Hotpoint washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.